you already saw, Chef Pratik Sadhu is very out of place in my kitchen. To the world, he may be known for his foraging in the Himalayas and his sea buckthorn sorbet and his inventive Indian cooking. But in this kitchen, he's going to be making chaat. So, hello Pratik, welcome to my kitchen.
सामान तो है नहीं.
This simple kitchen. Saman aayega. What are you teaching me? What are we making today?
Sea buckthorn. You said sea buckthorn, huh? So we'll make sea
Sea
buckthorn
buckthorn
chaat.
Matlab, I can imagine you putting sea buckthorn on everything. What are we making today?
So we'll do a Lakhanpur ke bhalle, which has a very like a deep story to it also.
Like everything else that Mask does has a deep story. There's a poem that will come.
कहानी और मिसाल तो हम बहुत अच्छी देते
Oh
हैं.
God, Pratik, all this hi-fi Hindi is not going to work here. Just tell me, why have you chosen this chart today?
For many reasons. Lakhanpur is a very small city in Jammu. तो जब मैं गुरदासपुर में पढ़ता था.
Which not a lot of people know.
Yes, so I did my IHM from Gurdaspur. तो जब घर जाते थे when I used to go to Jammu, so we used to take the bus. और जब लखनपुर पहुंचते थे तो लखनपुर बॉर्डर के पास में ही है. जैसे ही लखनपुर पहुंचे and all these guys would come running from the shops and they all had these bhallas and they would start screaming bhalle 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 bhalle. And I think that was my first time eating those
This
bhallas. It also has a very similar resemblance to Ram Laddu, which is very famous in Delhi. But इसमें थोड़ा सा twist है.
Okay, but first let's start cooking and then you can tell me more as we cook.
चलो. तो भल्लों के बेस के लिए हमारे पास दो तरह की दालें हैं. पहले तो चना और मूंग. और इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम इसको ओवरनाइट सोक करें ताकि थोड़ा सॉफ्ट हो जाए. सो इक्वल क्वांटिटीज ऑफ मूंग एंड चना वो बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Sanjeev Kapoor would be very impressed with your Hindi skills, explanation skills. बढ़िया.
तो इन दोनों दालों को हम अच्छी तरह से पीस लेंगे टू एकदम स्मूथ बैटर में. दैट्स द कंसिस्टेंसी दैट वी वांट.
What is the difference between इसका batter और Ram Laddu's batter? Or it's the same thing?
बैटर ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दे आल्सो पुट उड़द दाल इन इट.
Okay, but we are just going to do these two dal.
राम लड्डू और इसमें ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है नहीं. बट लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स द रेसिपी आल्सो कॉल्स फॉर उड़द दाल. जो है नहीं. बट लखनपुर के भल्लों के लिए यू यूजुअली यूज 2 दाल्स. कभी कभी वो सिर्फ मूंग भी यूज करते हैं.
Okay, okay.
तो आप रेशियो अपने हिसाब से देख लीजिए. बट यूजुअली यू पुट इक्वल क्वांटिटीज ऑफ बोथ द दाल्स.
Okay, come, let's grind it.
चलो. तो अब इसको पीसेंगे. ठीक है. Actually, सुनो ना, why aren't you
मुझे
doing
दे
it?
दो, काम दे दो.
You're just standing here listening to all the कहानियाँ. ठीक है. Get some, yeah.
बस सब ना.
सारा डाल दो
So you
यार.
ask me na कि why are you wearing these fancy rings and all these close-up shots will get my fancy rings in. पानी नहीं डालेंगे.
पानी बहुत हल्का सा डालेंगे. Give me some water. पीसना शुरू करो.
Ice crush या smoothie?
Smoothie. इसमें जो पानी भी है ना, लाइक यू नीड टू पुट लाइक इन स्मॉलर क्वांटिटीज. वी डोंट वांट इट टू वाटरी. अगर बैटर एकदम थिक होना चाहिए. और अगर ज़्यादा थिन हो गया, अगर ज़्यादा पतला हो गया तो
Because you're straight up gonna fry.
तो जैसे ही हम फ्राई करेंगे उससे पानी पानी हो जाएगा.
Okay, fine.
So like bare minimum water just to make sure like it grinds.
You were gonna give me to do it. हट
मतलब
जाओ.
भरोसा
हट
नहीं
जाओ.
मुझे.
हट जाओ. I'm good at all these smoothie making skills.
चलो चलो जल्दी.
तुम्हें तो मेरी smoothie making skills के बारे में पता ही होगा.
अच्छा.
बस let it be. Done. You made me this prop person, spoon la, ye la, wo. Not the sous chef here. I am
चलो
the
काम
chef.
करो ना
The
फिर.
chef here.
चलो इसमें डालो.
Achha, why does it irritate you when random people call themselves chefs?
It doesn't irritate me.
Don't lie. You hate it when random. It's like a physiotherapist calling themselves doctor like that.
No, they are doctors, right?
Acha, now you're like fully different story now. What else are you putting in this? I would explain this as hummus consistency.
Yeah.
No?
Actually, yeah. तो काली मिर्च.
काली मिरी.
हल्का सा हम थोड़ा हींग का पानी डालेंगे.
Why not straight up हींग?
थोड़ा हींग का पानी में फ्लेवर स्ट्रेट अप हींग में पूरा मिक्स होने का वो है.
नमक.
थोड़ा नमक शमक, कश्मीरी मिर्च, बस।
ठीक है,
आई थिंक नाउ द इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप इज कि अच्छी तरह से फेंटना है। वी वांट टू इनकॉर्पोरेट एयर इनटू दिस,
ओके।
तो तभी नाइस एंड विल बी नाइस एंड फ्लफी एंड
Fluffy.
लाइक या। चलो शुरू करो। सो यू हैव टू विस्क इट टू इनकॉर्पोरेट एयर। हाँ, नाइस। अंडे को विस्क किया है पहले? अंडा विस्क नहीं
नहीं, मेरे
करते,
घर
एग वाइट्स विस्क करते हैं।
Not allowed in my Jain house. So
तो
basically
एकदम
you're gonna make
फ्लफी
me
होना
do it like a
चाहिए।
long
हाँ,
time.
चलो चलो करो, थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज भी हो जाएगा।
अब मुझे नहीं जरूरत है। Workout, I've done my workout enough come. Can we just you put this in a KitchenAid paddle attachment?
थोड़ा
You
जोर
can,
से,
right?
थोड़ा जोर से।
I'm not used to all this whisking.
One second,
whisking,
one second.
चलिए।
सो अच्छी तरह से फेंट दो इसको। want to incorporate as much air as possible, उतना ही फ्लफी रहेगा और उतना ही खाने में भी मजा आएगा।
आएगा। That was such a Sanjeev Kapoor thing to say.
बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया।
नमक भी तो डाला स्वादानुसार।
It's not स्वाद, it's स्वाद।
स्वाद। Sure, recipe is short, but it's too many things.
Yeah,
Very technique oriented.
everything is technique oriented, right?
That's
क्या
true.
नहीं है, चाहे वो आप चटनी बनाओ, चाहे आप भल्ले बनाओ।
I wanted to know, like you gave me the story when you were still in college, which was like 15, 20, 25 years ago.
25 थोड़ी, 50 साल बोल दो। 25 भी क्या है?
So when you were still in college, that's the memory that you have of this chart. But
Yeah.
are there any profound things that happened in your life that made you want to be a chef? What was that turning point where you realized that okay, मैं बावर्ची बनूंगा?
Honestly, it was by fluke.
See, I knew
एक बारी मैं कॉलेज में गया, तब तक तो पता ही था कि क्या करते भी हैं, कि what is it all about, because the only thing which I wanted to avoid was maths.
I knew the same.
So I was like, hotel management कर लेते हैं. But once I entered and once I really got into the entire groove and पता लगा कि खाने का nuance क्या है, कैसे करना है, and I think that's where I decided. Like in college first year only I decided कि boss अगर करना है तो यही करना है.
I don't imagine you to be a child cooking in the kitchen at all. Were
No,
you
no,
at all like
I was a
that?
child just eating.
Yeah, and then that's what you were like.
Oh my god.
But nothing, no, you didn't have like that inclination throughout. you
Never,
didn't
there
have.
was no inclination. I mean, we were all surrounded by great food, but there was no inclination कि chef बनना है, और मुझे बचपन से ही पता था, कभी था नहीं. It was all by accident that this happened.
And then
Which
it
is
was
a
just
true
meant to
story.
be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes things are meant to happen. मतलब ये भी था कि देखो,
When is this meant to happen?
Yeah.
Is it there yet?
it's there, it's there. You can also do a water test कि थोड़ा सा पानी लो.
And then do a
Yeah. अगर ये डूब गया, तो that means फेंटते रहो.
तो
अगर
ये
ये
बुरी
नहीं डूबा,
अगर ये डूब गई तो ये बुरी रेस्टोरेंट है, अगर नहीं डूबी तो अच्छी रेस्टोरेंट है. Wow.
batter is ready and for the next step now अब हम बनाएंगे
चटनी.
चटनी. चलो जी,
Here.
ये गया अंदर. मूली के पत्ते, धनिया बस थोड़ा तोड़ के, मिर्ची के साथ प्याज, I think this is what I love.
Mustard oil.
Yeah. हम डालेंगे कच्ची घानी तेल and
Pepper.
black pepper. ये हो गया अंदर, और now
Blend it.
it's your turn.
Yeah, pleb job of blending.
हाँ, करो, थोड़ा काम करो.
थोड़ा नहीं, I'm ready to do everything. This is my set. You're forgetting it every time. Move. You move. Not done. You have to spatula से move कर. Spatula से you have to move it. Done? Done?
Ready है, ready.
Yeah.
That pungency comes through, right?
Got it.
मजा
उमामी
ही
नहीं
मजा.
बोला तुमने अपना फेवरेट वर्ड
उमामी भी
उमामी.
है यार, उमामी तो हर जगह उमामी है, कहाँ नहीं है.
If you were paid to say the word umami and seebakthon, then you would be very rich.
Which I'm not. So now chutney is ready, and now we'll move on to the next step, which is frying of the
Vadas.
vadas.
Done. Start with my hand.
हाँ, बस तेल गरम है. Let's start frying. Yeah, nice. हाँ छोटा छोटा लेके, हाँ परफेक्ट।
अच्छा, it's bound very well.
हाँ और छोटा मतलब छोटे सर्कुलर से क्यूट गोले गोले बनाना है।
See, cute gole gole, I'm not going to do that, huh, Pratik? Isn't this recipe a bit too simplified for you? Mask में तो बड़ा you'll make like lychee, chaat and God knows what all.
We do chaat, we do different variation of chaat, but this particular recipe has a lot of nostalgic value for me.
Yeah, which
कॉलेज
you
से
told me.
जाते
I
हुए,
love everything
जम्मू
has a-
जाते हुए।
Why does every chef have nostalgic value to everything? This is my
क्योंकि
grandmother's recipe.
food is about memories,
That
right?
is
You know, you cook from your memories.
That is true.
बस हाथ में जला देना, which I'm
आता
sure
है।
you are capable of. See, this guy is done. Take this guy out. ये हो गया, हो गया। Wow, क्या कलर आया है, dude. वाह, चलो, insane color man, insane color.
Done.
ठीक है, this is ready. Actually हमें साथ में चाट बनाना चाहिए।
ठीक है, दो अभी अब तक क्या कर रहे थे? Give me the bowl. Now what's the next step?
The next step is that we'll soak these bhallas, है ना, ये सारे भल्ले जो हैं हम tamarind water में soak करेंगे।
This is just tamarind का पानी.
This is just like thinned down tamarind water.
Okay.
So inside, okay, few more. डालो यार, दिल खोल के डालो। हाँ।
सब डाल देते हैं एक साथ. अच्छा, give now. I'll do it.
And what I'll do is I'll start doing the radish. मूली जो ऊपर से
This is
जाता
like
है।
a salad.
हाँ, मतलब this is a very important component in the entire chart. So मूली आ गया।
कितना have to soak it? This just like drown it.
Yeah, so a little
Okay.
more, yeah.
Drown it
Half,
basically.
yeah.
Got it. You start yours.
Tamarind, थोड़ी काली मिर्च गई, lemon juice, pass in the salt, so make a nice salad, थोड़ा ना, yeah, a little bit of salt, beetroot.
Why do you think restaurants have started focusing so much on chaat?
I mean, they've always been focusing
Not
on
really,
chaat. ऐसा
like,
नहीं है कि नहीं, पहले
If the
नहीं था।
pandemic didn't happen, you wouldn't be making chaat in your kitchen. That much I can tell you.
No, if you see, like back in 2019, we did something called pork skin bhel, right? Adaptation of a bhel only.
Did you just put edible flowers?
Yeah, I put nasturtium flowers, and I'll tell you why. It's not because they are pretty
It's
and
not because
cute,
you're from Mask.
but they add that pepperiness into it.
Okay.
So radish gives that pungency, and the entire nasturtium flowers will give that pepperiness to it.
Interesting, huh? Very interesting.
So salad is ready. Bhallas are
How
soaked.
long do we have to soak this for?
5 मिनट, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं, मतलब 5 मिनट भी ज़्यादा है, like between like 3 to 4 minutes, this is good. So 2 main components are ready, and then we can start plating. Now we can start plating.
Okay, then go get some fancy plate.
No, not fancy plate, like I don't know what is there in your kitchen. ये क्या है?
That's decor. That is decor.
Okay, this
take
is
that,
nice.
take
This
that,
is
take
nice. This is nice.
Take
Let's
that,
do
let's
this.
use it.
Let's do this. शुरू करें?
जी हाँ.
Okay. So मूली की चटनी है, मीठी चटनी है, दही है, salad है. Okay, perfect. So हल्का सा दही.
You don't need to do this at home. He's just fancifying it because he's a chef.
भल्ले गए, which are soaked in tamarind water. अच्छा खटास देता है यार ये बहुत. हम डालेंगे थोड़ी मीठी चटनी. I think this does the magic. This is
Yeah, and it looks like a regular chutney, but it's not.
and like the full salad.
With edible flowers, complete with edible flowers.
मूली does the magic here. So मूली की पत्तों की चटनी,
Ready?
भल्ले.
Ready?
Ready?
You're not going to put seebak thorn on this.
नहीं, सिर्फ हम चाट मसाला डालेंगे. Actually, we can make
Correct,
chaat
make-
masala from seebuk thorn.
Pratik, please. Yeah, let me do it.
Yeah.
This is
Do
my
it with your.
signature. This is
oh
my
yeah.
signature.
Excellent.
Okay, now that this is done, we're going to go and do some more talking. Because
Chaat pe
this was
charcha.
not enough. Yes, please, let's go.
चाट पे चर्चा.
We're in the last leg of this episode, and now I just have a bunch of questions for Chef Pratik. They're going to be rapid and maybe fiery, maybe not. We'll find out.
Okay, I have a set of questions ready for you.
For me. Okay then.
शुरू करें?
Please.
All right. Okay, what is the one dish we can find you binge eating at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m.?
I would not binge at 2 or 3 a.m. But if I did.
Stop lying first.
But if I, no,
seriously.
I don't binge at all. But if I did, it would be an apple. It would be healthy. Sorry, I don't eat all that chips and
Very
junk.
bad, very bad.
I'm sorry to disappoint you. I eat vegetable
very
chips.
disappointed. If this show wasn't called Charts of India, what else would you have called it?
Save the date.
See, yeah.
Save the date.
Chart pe charcha.
Save the date. That we will leave it to the government.
Okay, greatest inspiration source.
I think I'm very inspired by Madhur Jaffrey.
Maybe why?
I like her. I follow her work. I have always followed her work, and I find her the way she's so multi-hyphenated. I like that about her, and I think that everybody should do everything. You should have a podcast. You should be on radio. You should do a show. You should write a book. You should write articles. You should do everything that you can with the medium of food.
If you were a chart, which chart would you be?
Vitamin Bhel.
I really wanted to ask you this. Are all your Insta captions done by you, or there's someone else doing it?
Are all
behind
your
you?
Insta captions written by you? Or are they written
That's
by a
me
social
only.
media manager?
No, no, you tell me that. I asked you this question.
They are all written by me. I
Bakwas
swear.
nahi karna.
I swear. Even this is mine. This pun is mine. Chit chat.
Very bad. Okay, name a celebrity that you really want to cook for, and what will you cook?
I would like to cook Bajra Khichu for Padma Lakshmi.
If you could swap lives with a chef, who would it be?
I think it would 100% be Rene, because I have met him, and I think what goes on in his brain when it comes to food is very interesting.
I'm done. I'm going to cry now. Bas ho gaya.
Role. Acha, but you had a few ones. I have so many questions for you. If you were not a chef, what would you be doing? मुझे नहीं लगता तुम कुछ कर पाओगे.
मुझे भी लगता कुछ हो पाता मेरा. Either I would be flying planes.
I
अगर
don't
होता
know, Pratik, no,
ऐसा.
Pratik, no.
I would have been very bad
no
pilot.
passenger should be trusting you.
Or else, actually, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I had no career plans.
Is there a song that you like to cook with?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a big Bollywood fan.
Name one
I know what you're
ingredient.
thinking.
Name one ingredient you think you use a little too much.
Morels, actually, yeah. We use
Also
so much of
jamun.
morels. Yeah.
Also too much jamun. I
जामुन
think.
चला गया यार, सीजन खत्म हो गया.
चल,
But
fair
morels
enough.
तो हम
Morels.
evergreen है हमारा.
One pizza topping you just don't get.
Tofu, actually.
Yeah. Who is your celebrity crush? That chef Daniela?
Yeah, I mean, Daniela
No?
is amazing. I mean, beyond like her amazing work, I mean, she's really amazing. Yeah.
One chef you look up to?
Many, right from Daniel Hum in outside to Rene. Like there's so many Japanese chefs that I look up to.
In
Like,
India?
I mean,
In India?
In India, like there's plenty actually. I mean, there's some incredible work going on in Delhi. I mean, I was just in Delhi recently and I had some incredible meals. I'm looking forward to be in Bangalore, Chennai, and Calcutta, and eating a lot of local food there, and of course interacting with a lot of chefs. I mean, it's very hard to pinpoint on just one. For me, yeah.
Basically nobody impresses you.
No, it's not about impressive. Like
Lies.
everybody does.
Lies,
No,
lies,
no.
lies, Pratik.
Not like you.
lies. Okay, calls or texts?
Text.
Black, white or shades of grey?
Shades of grey.
Okay, pop-up restaurant in Kashmir for a day or unlimited sushi at your favorite restaurant?
Pop-up restaurant in Kashmir for sure.
But you're already having one in Ladakh.
In Ladakh, no, not in Kashmir.
But it's so territorial. It's either Ladakh, Kashmir, ये Jammu है.
अब
ये
ऐसा ही
district of
है.
Jammu. Okay, kill, marry or cook with 3 people. Okay, 3 people. Garima Arora, Vinesh Johnny, and Chef Hussain. Kill, marry or cook with.
Okay.
Who are you going to kill first? Garima, Vinesh or
Okay,
Hussain?
marry Hussain.
Sweet.
Cook with.
Garima, because you've done it.
Yeah, and
Why are you killing this nice guy who makes croissants?
I just love him too much. I'll just like kill him.
Nice. You know he's not going to get offended. That's why you picked that guy. Okay. If there was a movie made on your life, which genre would it be?
Which genre? Thriller.
Jesus.
Sci-fi.
Sci-fi.
Yeah, sci-fi.
Maybe. Just
Sci-fi.
with your lab and all of that.
Sci-fi.
Okay. One social media influencer you actually follow.
Many. Ranveer Brar.
Early mornings or late nights?
Late nights any day.
5 things you don't leave your home without.
Phone, car keys, mask
These days.
and what else? My bag and apron. My
I've
bag.
never seen you wear an apron in my whole life.
हम restaurant
Still
चलाते
lie.
हैं.
Okay. If you were a South Indian dish, which one would you be?
Chicken 65.
Like one celebrity you want to swap your life with for a day, or a chef you want to swap your life with.
It can be anyone in the world.
It should technically be an Indian person.
Yeah, that's. Chef,
Really? Yeah,
mean,
you
no?
don't you want to say not chef, anybody you want to swap your life with. Aditi man, she has a
But
good
I mean,
life, yeah.
yeah, she has
कभी
an
burrata
amazing life.
chaat खा लिया, कभी avocado toast खा
Switzerland
लिया,
चले
कभी
गए.
Switzerland चले गए.
But I want to actually you.
You can later.
Yeah, no,
later.
you're very-
Will you give me unlimited access of the Mars Club, which is drink kombucha?
I'll think about it.
Okay, so you want my life, but you're not ready to give yours.
I'll think about it.
Unfair. Okay. If you were in a sitcom family, which family would you be a part of?
WandaVision.
Okay. If these people were food, what would they be?
हो गया यार, मतलब कितना?
3 more. If these people were food, what would they be? Aditi Duggar. Burrata chaat.
Burrata papdi chaat.
That Manish is making that. Grisham Fernandez. Hot sauce.
No, EXO.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rashmi Uday Singh.
Hot sauce actually.
And Veer Sangvi.
So many. Caviar.
He would be. Who has the best gossip in the industry?
You.
Don't say my name. That's not true.
Everybody knows that. Everyone knows that.
We're done.
Done? That's it. Where's the
We're
hamper?
done. तुम्हें बाहर जाते जाते मिलेगा. For
Oh,
that you have to
yeah.
leave this kitchen. Leave.
Thank God I'm
Leave.
done. हो गया.
अभी चाट खा ले. आपका चाट खा ले.
आप खाओ चाट. हम चाट पे चर्चा हो गई हमारी.
Until I figure out a new way to wrap up this show, I'm going to say the same thing. I will see you next week with a new guest and a new chat.